that you could compress all of these column charts into one visual that is dynamic and adjustable based on user input. I'll show you. It's something brand new in Power BI as of about June, May 2022, and it's called field parameters. All you need to do first is go to your modeling tab up top, click new parameter, and now we have fields as an option. Now here we want to add anything we want to toggle between. For example, if I want to toggle between country, let's see here, product, and segment, I hit create, and it's going to add a little slicer to the page. It automatically codes this DAX for me. I'm going to go ahead and change this to be a horizontal slicer. Let's get some nice boxes right above this. Cool. And now, if you didn't notice, what this did, our little field parameter thing, created a parameter 3 table down here. It's a calculated table. You need to add that to the visual, replacing what you have as the previous category. Now, when I click anything in this, it'll dynamically change the report visual itself. If you make say a parameter both for the X and the Y axis, it'll look like this, where suddenly you can dynamically replace, in this case, 12 different visuals with just one. And yes, by the way, I can control click and get multiple metrics in one. Huge time saver, huge space saver, and I hope it helps you as much as it did me.